Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cytaker. In this video I'm going to do the PUBG new state gameplay review on the Realme GT Neo 2 device. As you can see, this is a Realme GT Neo 2 which I'm trying to use right now. And finally in this phone the game was able to open at this moment exactly as you can clearly see friends. Let me need to log in. So right now as you can see friends, I did select the server as well at this moment. And I need to create my character. So right now it will try to ask you how many fingers you want to play as well. As you can see exactly in other phones I did try to play the game and it's showing the error which is unable to connect to the server. So very soon the game will be launching friends, so then we can actually connect to the server and play it. So in few of the other smartphones also I did try to play the game, but still I'm getting the error, but I'm not sure why in this phone I was able to play it. So let me to show you the first settings. What is the settings available in this graphics? Let's go to the settings and show you the graphics settings default. So right now as you can see friends, the highest graphics settings, let me to choose the maximum and ultra. You can actually play the settings as well, no bad, not an issue. I think there is no 90 fps option at this moment present, but frame rate you can actually choose up to maximum. As you can see exactly at this moment I think the real-time fps we are getting maybe close to 30. Maybe while playing the game we might be able to see the 60 fps option, but right now I did select the graphics to ultra as well, and we do have the option of selecting the high, and all of the graphics you can clearly see. So right now let me to select the maximum graphics and maximum quality as well. So let's see friends what will be the FPS count while gameplay. So let me to click save. So graphics are saved and let me to start the match. And this is my first time playing the PUBG new state in this device in the Realme GT Neo 2 with the Snapdragon 870 chipset. So definitely I'll try to do my best to test in other smartphones as well. So everything. The match has been found and it's going to be really interesting to see. So I did get the haptic feedback vibration when we are entering into the match. That's another good thing. And the graphics looks kind of really cool, not bad. And the real-time FPS, I think we are getting about 37, 39 FPS, 40 FPS, because I did select the maximum ultra FPS, right? That's the reason we are getting this kind of 40 FPS. But if I try to select the different settings, graphics, let's go to the medium and ultra. Save it. Let's see what happens with the medium and ultra graphics. So now we're getting graphics about 24 FPS. So we need to find that kind of exact setting where we can actually get 60 FPS. So right now we are getting about 30 FPS. So now it increased it to 39 FPS as you can see. The graphics looks really good friends, not bad. So it's very good to see this kind of graphics at this moment. And ultra now we are getting about 50 FPS. So you can see the 50 FPS we are getting 50, not bad. Let me change the graphics and maximum. I'm trying to select the maximum frame rates and I'm trying to select the graphic quality to high. Let's see what happens this time. And now we are getting 60 FPS. So we need to select the maximum FPS, maximum frame rate, and select the graphics quality to high. Then we can actually get a really good graphics. And FPS drop test, you can see friends, this is just an initial impressions only friends on the graphics which I thought of showing you on the Realme GT Neo 2. And definitely I'll try to do my best to post the videos on other smartphones playing this kind of game. So I'll try to definitely use the playlist separately. So I'll try to create the playlist for the PUBG new state users. So there you can actually access all this information what is required. So this is just a basic demonstration for the default graphics what you get in the PUBG new state gameplay. Only default graphics settings only I'm trying to show you. Not bad. The sound, let me know to keep the sound, a little bit kind of sound effects. I did like the graphics friends, it feels kind of slightly good graphics, like PC type of graphics. And real-time FPS you can see how we are getting 61 FPS, 60. Not bad. And definitely friends, I'll try to do my testing in other smartphones as well, testing out how other phones are actually performing. And to get 60 fps is the perfect settings we can actually play. So frame rates, try to select the maximum, and graphics, try to keep it high, then you can actually get the 60 fps. Let me try to change the graphics to medium. What happens, let's see. From maximum to from high to medium, not still the graphic settings remaining, fps remaining around 60 fps, not bad. So it's not getting impacted. And I'm trying to choose the multiple kind of combination just to check what is going on with the fps multiple times. And let's select the light mode, maximum fps and light. So there's no option to improve the get the 90 fps anyway. Yes, so we're getting still 60 fps. And settings, let's go to the settings and again graphics, and maximum and maximum. And now also we're getting about 60 fps. The graphics looks really good, friends, as you can see the graphics, which is fantastic, and phone was able to easily play the game without any kind of much problem. And now I'm trying to play it highest graphics as possible in this phone. So let me show you the settings. As you can see, maximum frame rates and ultra graphics quality I'm trying to select at this moment, but still increase the battery life and everything. You'll get this kind of message saying. So yes. So let's play it maximum ultra settings only. So I did like this kind of message saying how many bullets are left in your gun. As you can see, 27 by 30. Oh, cool. There's some kind of transportation is going on. Wow. So right now I got the vehicle as well. As you can see, the real-time FPS still remaining 60, not a problem. So definitely, friends, the Realme GT Neo 2 will be able to play at 60 FPS without any kind of issues as well. I can definitely say that confidently. So I need to test the similar kind of graphics support test in other smartphones, how the Dimensity processor are handling, whether we can actually get the maximum out of those devices or not. I'll definitely do my testing on those devices. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this quick gameplay review on the PUBG new state in this Realme GT Neo 2. And definitely I'll be back with other smartphones and testing the default graphics, how they are handling this kind of game. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video until stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.